Hello all. In this video, you will be learning on how you can integrate Hubspot with FreshLearn. Go to Settings, Integrations, Hubspot. Here you will be seeing two types of connections. Custom object. This is available on the Hubspot higher plans, which helps in creating a unique course registration and progress. You will be seeing courses and course enrollments as the object on the Hubspot dashboard. Custom property. This is available on all the HubSpot plans and creates custom properties for the course registrations and the progress also. Now let's select custom object. Click on connect. It will be taking you to the HubSpot authentication screen. You will have to select your preferred account here. Click on choose account. The authentication screen will appear. The platform will be authenticating your request. Once that is done, you will be seeing a success note. Now go to your admin dashboard. Go to HubSpot. You will be seeing connected here. Now let's go to HubSpot dashboard and see how the dashboard looks like. Go to your HubSpot account. On the left side, on the menu bar, you will be seeing all type of different icons, which will be giving you the objects that you can see. When you click on the CRM menu bar icon, you will be seeing the courses and course enrollments. These two are available on the higher plans. Courses. This gives you the course data that is available on your FreshLearn account on what courses the enrollments have happened. You will be seeing the course names here. When you click on course enrollments, you will be seeing all the course enrollees data. You will be seeing the course name, the member first name, member email ID, and their enrollment ID here in the list. Now let's see how the data is transferred from FreshLearn to HubSpot. Go to FreshLearn. You can go to any of the course. And selecting this course. Go to pricing. Take the plan. Let's complete the payment. The payment is now done. Let's go to the HubSpot dashboard and check if the contact is created. Go to HubSpot, all contacts. You will be seeing the entry here. Now, under the name, click on preview. Here, when you open, here you will be seeing all the member related data. When you click on course enrollments, you will be seeing the associated courses. When you click on the course name, it will be taking you to the course dashboard where you will be getting the quick overview on how the course is happening. This is how you will be seeing the course related data. On the left side, you will be seeing the course name, what is the member email address associated, everything will be seen here. Here you will be seeing if there are any additional contacts or anyone who is enrolled to the course, you will be seeing the data here. This is about HubSpot integration. Thank you.